This question is, Huzur, so this criticism plays a very positive role in the field of democracy and in the field of literature. Is it allowed within the spiritual communities? Criticize or criticism?
About the criticism, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has admonished that you tell the defects of others, like you consult a mirror. When you take the mirror, the best mirror is that which tells you everything bad about yourself. Every little spot here and there is clearly denoted. You don't break it because of that. You are not angry with it. You like the mirror which is the best, which tells you every detail of your features, good or bad. So this hadith is wonderful hadith, which indicates that a mu'min is one who criticizes the mu'min in private, not in public. And when he criticizes him in private, he does it in a manner that the person is not angry. He knows that he is honest and truthful, so he does not become angry with the person who indicates his faults. So this is the true system of Islamic criticism. Otherwise, the political criticism is just nothing. Most often it is false. Seldom it's true.